Welcome to the IGCSE 2023 Paper 2 Question 20 walkthrough. Hopefully you've had a go at a question, you looked at the mark scheme and you're not quite sure what's going on, and this will explain it. Then there'll be a similar question to do before you jump back to the worksheet to do. So when we look at the question, it's a probability question. And it's asking us, it's taking three counters, a red, to work out the probability. There's three people taking out one. So for there to be one red counter in the bag, the only way of there being no red counters is if all three take red. So the probability of the first person taking a red is 3 over 12. Second person, 2 over 12. Third person, 2 over 11, 1 over 10, which gives me 6 over 1320. So the probability, that's the only way of it happening. So the probability of it, of it there being no red, so the probability of there being at least one red, I've just got to take that away, do that on my calculator, and it gives me 219 over 220. Quite straightforward. Right, next question. Slightly simpler in a way, because less to do with it, because it's only 2 tapes. So how do you end up with there being no blues? The only way of being no blues is to take both of them out. So to get the blues is 2 out of 10 times 1 out of 9, which gives me 2 out of 90. So that's the only way of there being known. So we're now looking at there being at least one blue. You're going to do 1 minus the 2 over 90, which gives me 44 over 45. Brilliant. Good work. Well done. Now go back to the worksheet and do the 2 questions set off on the worksheet on the website. Thank you.